Do you know what the sizes I have taken for this house? In this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. There is a 20 feet Ford shipping container. The total area I have taken is the length is 32 feet in meter 9.75 meter and the width is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. So in the front we have sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living plus kitchen come dining area. You can see here the sofa arrangement, chair arrangement, tea table arrangement, and also we have TV unit on the front wall and a library section. If you go inside, so we have kitchen cabinet with burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. And on the left side we have dining counter with 3 chairs and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. On the left side of the house we have a bedroom here. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And we have a door here for air entrance and attached washroom plus water closet with this room. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. And on the right side we have wash basin and common use washroom plus water closet. You can see here the wash basin, water closet and the shower area, and we have ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. After that we will go on the right side of the house. So we have 2 bedroom here with same size. You can see here the bed arrangement, wardrobe arrangement and study table with chair and large size windows for ventilation and light purpose. So this is the 3 bedroom shipping container house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.